Hello guys, welcome to our channel. We have reviewed a list of the best baitcasting reel under $200 out here. Let's get started with the videos. Number 5. KastKing Royale Legend-Whitemax. KastKing Royale Legend-Whitemax is a very affordable reel that is priced well under $50. The reel comes fitted with 11+1 shielded Maxi-Dur corrosion-resistant bearings for a smooth retrieve. In addition, the reel has a 17.5 lb carbon fiber drag. The reel comes with state-of-the-art dual brakes, which have a reliable centrifugal and magnetic brake system for excellent casting control. Unfortunately, the product does not come with a guarantee from the manufacturer. There are 4 models to choose from. Number 4. Daiwa CT Tatula Dot. It features a light reel with an ergonomic design. Daiwa CT Tatula has an aluminum frame and an A7075 aircraft-grade aluminum spool. The reel is constructed using state-of-the-art technology, including MagForce Z cast control and Daiwa's advanced TWST wing system. It is fitted with 8 ball bearings to provide an ultra-smooth retrieve. The reel also has a large and strong gear to manage big fish. The new design features have reduced friction and harsh line angles when casting, allowing for a smooth line flow. Number 3. KastKing Maximus Spartacus. KastKing Maximus Spartacus is a pocket-friendly reel below $100. It is a powerful reel with a 25 lbs of carbon fiber drag and therefore excellent as a saltwater reel. It is made from aluminum alloy Zero Flex body and frame. The spool is made from CNC machined aero-grade aluminum, while the main shaft and the rest of the components on the reel are made from stainless steel anti-corrosion. It is a smooth reel with 10+1 ball bearings with a one-way anti-reverse system. It has a gear ratio of 6.31. The handle has even knobs for a firm grip. Number 2. Shimano Corrado KCU 200K. An affordable, reliable reel. It is a left-hand retrieve. The reel features many new innovations. It is fitted with a Hagane body. A Hagane body is a strong metallic body with high rigidity. It also has Shimano's newest efficient, super smooth and durable gearing technology of micro-module. In addition, it is installed with the SVS Infinity braking system for consistent spool control, easy management of the reel and accurate casting. It has a super stopper anti-reverse system. Besides that, the reel uses X-Ship technology to improve its durability. Number 1. Garcia-Revo SX RVO. A reel that's affordably priced, versatile, and highly accurate. Beyond that, it's pretty light in weight and ergonomic, meaning it's convenient for all-day use. The reel is purposefully designed to be 25% lighter than the preceding generations of reels under the Garcia brand. Indeed, the Revo SX is designed with X2 Craftic alloy frame and C6 carbon side plates. It has 9+1 ball bearings for a smooth caster. It is fitted with a Magtrax brake system, in addition to a white Infinity 2 spool design. Because of these features, the reel can cast heavy loads accurately. Thanks for watching. Hope you like our video. Please like this and subscribe our channel. Don't forget to click the bell icon. For more information about this video and products, please follow the links below in the video description.